Understanding Full Restoration, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, full restoration. This phrase is not just common in everyday English, but also holds significant meaning in various contexts. Let's dive in and fully understand what full restoration means and how to use it effectively. Full restoration is a compound noun, comprising two words, full and restoration. The word full implies completeness or entirety. Restoration, on the other hand, refers to the act of returning something to its original condition. Together, these words suggest returning something to its complete or original state. 2.1 In historical and art contexts. In historical and art contexts, full restoration often refers to the process of repairing and renovating artifacts, buildings, or artworks to their original condition. This might involve mending damages, replacing lost parts, or cleaning to restore their original appearance. 2.2 In environmental and ecological fields. Here, full restoration signifies the process of bringing a damaged ecosystem or environment back to its original state. It involves activities like planting native species, removing pollutants, and rehabilitating wildlife habitats. 2.3 Personal and emotional recovery. In a more personal sense, full restoration can be used to describe the process of recovering from a physical injury or emotional trauma, implying a return to one's original health or state of mind. 3.1 The museum underwent a full restoration. This phrase is commonly used to indicate that a building, especially a historical one, has been completely repaired and returned to its original state. 3.2 After the forest fire, efforts for full restoration began. Here, it's used to describe the comprehensive efforts to revive an ecosystem or environment after significant damage. 3.3 She achieved full restoration after the surgery. In this context, full restoration refers to a person regaining their full health or capabilities after a medical procedure. And that's a wrap on full restoration. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in various contexts. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each new phrase is a step forward. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.